My man, honey.
I'm not screaming none of that. I'm not screaming none of that. You can't do that. You can't do that.
God, bro.
When I let you talk, you talk. You gotta let me talk. You gotta let me talk my shit.
Real quick, bro. Bro, that's all I ask. Since the job shit, you remember the job shit? 51950 Belmont, right? Nah, we're not gonna Gonna be honest.
Go ahead.
Cause I was honest with everybody in the job shit, right? I was honest with everybody. Everybody, Pito, everybody. Yo, Pito, that shit
That's
was
a fact.
corny. Yo, Famo, that shit was corny, bro. Yo, bro, that shit was corny. And then, look.
Bro, I look. You trying to make a joke? Look, bro, you keep saying the same thing. And that job shit, you know that job shit, that was like some little commercial shit. Bro, I really have balls, bro. You really rap about the ops all day, bro. All you do is say, look, all you do is say K with the K and Dot got me laced. And you don't even know Dot. You never ran into none of your ops. Listen, you talk about you got 1 million views. You did features to get 1 million views. Nigga, I got 1 million views for punching niggas by myself 3 times. So that's over 6 million views, probably 10 million views. Oh, you see me, bro? I got the world. I don't only got Brooklyn. Look, you gotta understand. Go ahead, talk now, talk.
Come on, Famo, hold on.
Talk.
You ready? You see how you say
I'm ready.
You see how you say you got 1 million views of punching somebody? That's what the fuck you went for, nigga. Nobody know you for rapping. You fucking dirt. Stop.
Nobody.
Stop it, bro.
Listen. I punched one nigga and got 1 million views. Now they all tuning into my music. I get 100K on all my vids. What you talking about?
That ain't shit. I got 1 million views. I get 100K in 3 days,
on all my vids.
Yo, bro, you get 100K in 3 months.
You don't get 100K in 3 days. Bro, you do features. And you talk about, look, bro. Hold up. You gotta understand, bro. You talk about niggas that get 2 million views. Tutu Blicky just did a song with Kodak. He just did 2 million views. You saying his name in every track. Of course you're gonna get views, bro. You're saying mad niggas' names, bro. I don't say nobody's name. I don't say nobody's name.
Oh man, get him off the live.
Nah, wait.
You said what?
We gotta talk. We gotta talk. You said, cause I'm mentioning niggas. That's why I'm getting 1 million views. That's what you telling me?
You said what?
It's cause I'm mentioning niggas. That's why I'm getting 1 million views.
Yeah, nigga. If you were just talking nobody won't listen to you, nigga. You're saying niggas' names split right now.
Let me talk.
You're saying niggas' names that split right now, bro.
Let me talk.
And you're not even getting paid. You're not even getting paid.
Wait. Look. Let me talk. Gangster, look. Let me talk. And Opine, you ain't mention nobody?
Who?
Opine.
Yeah, I mentioned somebody, nigga. I started off the video punching somebody, nigga.
Wait. You stop there.
What you talking about?
Look at my look. Stop. And Opine, you mentioned somebody, right? That's your most viewed track, nigga. What are you talking about? That's your most viewed track. Opine. Cause of mentioning somebody.
Hold on. Who name I said Opine?
That shit ain't go nowhere.
Who name I said Opine?
Fuck it up right now. You ain't mention nobody in that.
I didn't say nobody named Opine. What am I doing?
And by the way, that's what you and K.
Listen.
That shit was trash.
I didn't say nobody name and Opine.
Huh?
I didn't mention nobody name and Opine. I didn't mention nobody name and Opine. No.
I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't mention nobody name. I didn't say nobody name.
Bro, listen to the name of the track. You know what it is, bro. Don't try to. You commercial.
So
what?
Right now, what you talking about?
It's a diss track, nigga. You did that little punch and shit.
Bro.
They try to fake act like you were Opine, nigga.
Bro, listen. Your views is only flicking because you talk about niggas that's lit and you hang out with niggas that's lit. You jacking my shit. You're gonna get views. Whoa, of course, nigga. You came home with dreads in your head looking like me. You're gonna get views. What did you talking about? You're my little man. You my little man. What you talking about?
Nah, that's where you get it fucked up at, bro. Word to my mother, bro. That's where you get it fucked up at, bro. I jack OMB, nigga. What are you talking about? I put on, nigga.
I'm listening.
What you talking about?
But you still jacking bull. You still going.
Yo, bro, I jack wool. That's a fact, bro.
I don't want to say you don't put on because you my man, but you my man, bro. Don't get on here and say that you put on like you out here boom booming shit. You ain't boom booming shit, nigga. You stop lying, bro. Stop talking, bro. It's me, bro. I'll do all
probation. We on probation. We on probation. You a cop. You a cop.
Yo, nah, come back. No. Okay, no.
That's some cop shit.
Cause now he come on, bro. Come on.
Niggas know, bro.
Famo.
What you talking about, bro?
Famo, you capping to me? Nah, he gotta come back. We nah, I'm not playing. Yeah. Nah, bro, he's crazy. Nah. What? Nigga, dude, what? Alright, say that. I'm gonna let you rock. Let me hear what this man got to say, That's crazy, though, start. I'm warned.
Yo, blood. Yo. What's these niggas dirty? Yo, bro. All these niggas that's talking.
Yeah, I gotta add this nigga back. So I wanted to add back anyway. This nigga's crazy. Chill, fam, chill. Eat out, man. What's up, little man? Hold on, though. Hold on, though. This nigga Famo is crazy. Pull up, Famo. Yeah. This nigga's crazy, yeah.
Yo.
What's good, yo, bro? Now.
Yeah, what's up?
Now you talking bullshit, nigga. That's what's up, nigga.
Alright, what I said that was bullshit. Look, you can't be moving around like that. We both black. The connection gonna fuck up. Stay still and talk, bro. Go ahead, talk.
Yo, bro, I don't fucking move around. You just said I'm not doing this in the streets, whatever. I'm doing this, bro.
Alright, listen, bro. We gonna talk some bro shit. And we doing it for the views. Fuck it. Look, who you punch?
I punched mad niggas. On the rock, I punched like 10 niggas.
You keep saying the rock. You was there for a month. Nobody was there. Like I put all my shit on camera. And picture the shit that I didn't put on camera. Picture the shit I didn't put on camera.
I look. Fuck that.
He want JayDee to talk like
that. Mr. Citizen app.
And look, your man's next to you. Your man's next to you, Jay Sad, is dirt.
You ain't
dirt.
You're
trash.
Not fucking with me, bro. Your last shit was dirt.
Trash.
That shit you just dropped was trash.
No, but look,
that new shit,
look, Jay Sad.
You not on shit, bro. I'm not about to talk to you. You don't got no.
I got paid for that. I get paid for every feature. Look.
Yo, bro. No, you don't, bro. What features?
I get paid for every feature,
bro. Was dirt.
That was a white. I did a song with a white nigga. You really think that was my geek?
What are you talking about, bro?
You my mans. You should know I got paid for that. That's what I'm trying to show you, bro. Y'all niggas is moving like ops, like y'all moving like ops. You know the song trash.
Nah, this is crazy, bro. You played the Alpacino round? Talking facts, nigga. Y'all niggas trying to play, nigga. We talking facts, nigga. Nah.
JayDee, listen. Real shit though, bro. You think if you make a song without saying nobody's name, bro?
Alright.
All my recent songs, I didn't say nobody's name. All my recent songs, I ain't say nobody's name, and I got more than 50K.
Alright, now look. I ain't gonna front. My shit not gonna, it's gonna flick. My shit gonna flick. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's gonna flick. It's not gonna flick like that because that's not my lane. That's not what they looking for, nigga. They looking for me to say some other shit, nigga, my drill shit. They already know what I'm on. They not looking for me to say that. When I switch it up and I'm still consistent on that time, you know how this rap shit go, nigga. My shit will go skyrocket, nigga. You already know the vibes, nigga. You frying right now for...
It's different. You think it's that easy, bro. You look like a clown. You gotta really do shit, bro. Don't just be out here saying you do shit, nigga, and get niggas indicted, nigga.
No.
What you doing about? You gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta get niggas indicted. You're talking. The views is getting to your head. You forgetting. You a little me. You a little me.
No.
With the afro, you get braids. You a little me. What you talking about? That ass, bro. What you talking about?
Yo, bro. I do this, bro. You talking this indictment shit, bro. I'm not gonna. What happened? That happened. I'm gonna put on. What happened?
Nah, I'm saying though, bro. If niggas do get indicted, bro, it's gonna be because of you. You keep saying niggas dead, bro, man. You saying you shooting at niggas. You're never doing nothing. You're not doing, bro. You never had a fight. You never had a fight, bro.
You dead ass right now? What the fuck is you talking about this?
Nah, I'm dead ass, bro. Cause don't be trying to violate me. Don't mention me, bro. Cause y'all niggas don't even mention these op niggas that's getting 2 million views, nigga. Gotta punch somebody, bro. You gotta show me. Cause I know you.
When I run into niggas, I punch them, bro. Nigga, bro, I fight all the time. You heard, bro? Go to my mother, bro. Nah, family, you act like you don't know this, bro.
Listen, JayDee.
I came home with my bullshit, bro. I'm not playing with niggas. You, boom, you remember?
Name 2 niggas you punch. Name 2 niggas you punch that's not in jail right now.
You said what?
Name 2 niggas you punch.
Wait,
that's not in jail right now.
You said what?
Name 2 niggas you punch that's not in jail right now.
Yo, bro, I punch mad niggas, bro.
That people know.
Yo, bro, I ain't gonna fight. I really fight my
2?
Name
Name 2.
Not my man's, but I fight niggas in the hood. That's I don't got time to be bringing niggas names up and shit. But no funny shit, bro. What?
What?
And bro, I just fought twice. I just punched K in the bookings. Push, brother. I just punched him in the bookings.
Look, you keep talking about bookings, bro. You talking about bookings and jail. Fuck jail, bro. Fuck jail, bro.
I just punched some nigga in the store by my crib. What are you talking about, bro? This is the fights I'm having. This is the fights I'm having.
I just had a fight with my uncle. Since you naming shit like that, dumb shit like that. I just had a fight with my uncle and my little sister. They jumped me, and I won. What you talking about, bro?
Yo, bro, I put on. At the end of the day, you switching the subject. I put on these shit. You gonna leave it as that. I'm better than you in rapping, nigga. That's it.
I don't be with you. I don't be with you every day. And listen, you're not better than me, bro. If you want to do this rapping shit, we can do this rapping shit. What you want to do?
What you want to do, nigga?
You want to get on a beat? I don't want to get on no track with you. I want to go head to head like on some real rap. Like I really got heat, bro. Like you saying me, bro? What, bro?
I got no problems with that. What?
I want to see what you could do without saying K with the K and Doc got me laced. I want to hear some ball.
You gonna say no K with the K? No Doc got me laced, bro.
Look, Stelly was right, bro.
No more, bro.
So what you say? Lace got me Doc, nigga. I still hear the same shit in every track, nigga. The same 4 lines, nigga. You just switch it up a little bit. You're not low.
Say that.
My shit, look, bitches could twerk to my shit. I got gospel music. People be crying to my music and shit. I can sing, nigga.
Real shit, you heard?
Come motherfucker.
You heard? Now, look.
What you talking about?
You do a song like that, I do a song, I get interviewed by like Mel CV or something. You do a song like that, you get interviewed by your mom alone. That shit is corny. What? Like, you
want
that
to
shit
talk about your mamas.
No,
listen. Hey,
I'm not into that. Nah, see, that's
you said it already, bro.
You said I'm not into that, bro. Word to my mother, I'm not into that, bro. I'm not into that, bro. I'm not into that, bro.
Listen. You talk about Mel's TV, bro.
Yeah.
You talk about a Mel's TV interview. You happy you got a Mel's TV interview? I brought Mel's TV. I brought Mel's TV, and you happy you got an interview from him. I don't want no interview from no Mel's TV, nigga. What the fuck?
You right, bro.
I'm my own interview. I'm getting my own views. Y'all just need Mel's TV. I don't need Mel's TV. You know what's up. That's why he ain't put me in top 25. Nigga, I booked his ass, nigga. What you talking about? And y'all condone that shit. You out here talking about the ops all day, and you letting niggas interview you that interviewed them. No, book his ass. Nigga, I booked him. Nigga, real gangster shit. That's what I'm trying to show you, bro. Level to this shit, bro. You a little kid. My little man, bro.
Allen. Yo, nah, hold on.
Dirty.
You talking bullshit.
Dirty.
Nah, you did your thing. I respect that, you heard. I don't give a fuck, you heard. I don't give a fuck about niggas, you heard. I'm OMB, you heard. I don't give a fuck what you did to no next man. None of that, you heard. I don't give a fuck.
I'm just saying, though, you talk about Mel's TV. Like, he's signing hot. Like, he supposed to give me views or something. I get more views than Mel's TV.
No, we not gonna lie. He can get you views. You get a Mel's.
I never did it. I never
did
it.
With niggas that's not known at all. The nigga ain't clouded. Let's keep it 100. Am I bugging?
Bro, that's Mel's TV, bro.
Am I bugging though? Let's keep it 100.
I don't know, but I don't watch the nigga shit. I don't watch the shit.
They not even know. Now they getting views.
Who?
Yo, bro, they got.
He just started doing views with other people, nigga. First he was doing views with us and the Blickies, nigga. Then he started doing views with little bitches about their boyfriends and shit, bro. Bro, you know what's up, bro.
This little thing, bro. Don't cat, bro.
And they gonna tune in. They trying to see what's going on in Brooklyn. The cops is watching. Everybody's watching, bro. They're gonna tune in. That's what I'm trying to show you, bro. They're not gonna get views without saying niggas' names. I'm gonna get views without saying niggas' names. Cause I made
some hot shit. Clown. That's why. The cops is watching.
I made history for the 5 times. Clown. What you talking about?
Nah, the cops is watching because you on some hot shit, bro. You saying, man, hot shit. You brought it to the streets. We talking about rapping.
I'm not saying no hot shit, nigga.
You brought it to the streets. We talking about rapping, nigga.
Yo, go.
Nigga, all that shit adds up, nigga, because you're lying in your raps, nigga. You're lying, nigga. You're lying. I don't lie. I don't lie. Every line that I say is a fact.
What line? What line?
7, what I said, out hunting in my city get tragic. Out hunting in my city get tragic. 7 days, 7 nights, bitch. Won't stop till a nigga get dead. And it's facts. It's facts. Ask Cuda. He know. 7 days, 7 nights. What are you talking about? What? What?
Yeah, I think he's on cop shit. Detective Stanley. I'm at your door.
Nigga, you talk about cop shit. You talk about cop shit, bro. On your vids.
What buddy you serving out here,
you don't already put niggas in jail, nigga. You already put all of us in jail, nigga. What you trying to say? Nothing hot. You said what?
Famo, bro. This is why I get mad, bro. This is why I get mad right here. For rappers like you. How is you trying to compare to me, bro? Nah, real shit. Ask this question to yourself. How is you comparing to me?